Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somchit. Today I'm going to cook a cheat recipe, fish curry from pre-made gravy. When we have really delicious fish curry gravy without the fish or vegetable, it is a waste to throw it away. So today I have some fish curry from a restaurant that is still really good and delicious. This method can be used for fish gravy, whether it is made from scratch, the leftover curry, or even the curry that you bought it from restaurant. Use this method to get a delicious fish curry in less than 10 minutes and for the lower price than getting the same amount of fish curry from the restaurant. Of course, you have to make sure that the curry is not spoiled as it may cause food poisoning. So for the ingredients, I have 1 bowl of fish curry gravy, 4 pieces of sliced king mackerel fish, 350 grams of lady's finger or okra, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 large tomato cut to pieces, 1 cilantro root, and some chopped cilantro for garnishing. First, we will marinate the fish. Sprinkle all the salt on both sides of the fish. The amount of salt depends on the taste of the curry. The saltier it is, the less salt is needed. Now we will cook the fish. Heat the pan and set the heat to medium heat. Pour all the curry into the pan. Add in the cilantro roots. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. This will take about 4 to 5 minutes. When the curry comes to rolling boil, open the lid. Remove the excessive oil if there is. Dispose the excess oil. Give it a stir. Carefully add in the fish in the middle of the pan. Once the fish is added, we will not stir the curry until the fish is cooked. Otherwise, the whole curry may develop the fishy smell. For the size of these fish pieces, we are cooking for about 7 minutes. Now, spread the vegetable around the pan. Lady's finger or okra, tomato. Cover the lid. Cook the fish and vegetable for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, open the lid. And this time you can give it a stir. The vegetables are cooked but crunchy. If you prefer it to be soft, it can be cooked for an additional 3 to 4 minutes. Give it a taste. Delicious. When the vegetable and fish are cooked, switch off the heat. Sprinkle all cilantro leaves. Cover the lid and let it set for about 3 minutes. Open the lid. Wow, the fish curry smells so good. So I'm going to dish out and serve. Let's eat. Wow, delicious. The fish is very tender and very tasty. The okra cooked just perfectly. It's very crunchy and the gravy goes well with the rice, especially since the curry has already matured. Thank you for watching. If you try this, please let me know how it turns out. And please subscribe to be notified on my next recipe. Thank you and bye-bye.